There is an 80-year-old skeleton sitting in a museum today that scientists describe with one unbelievable word: impossible. Because according to modern medicine, this person shouldn't have been able to move so well at that age, yet their bones tell a completely different story. The skeleton belonged to an ancient human who lived thousands of years ago. Even at around 80 years old, the bones were incredibly strong. The joints showed very little damage, and the places where muscles were attached were unusually powerful. So how was this possible? Ancient people had no hospitals, no doctors, no painkillers, and no vitamins. Life was dangerous, diseases were common, and every day was a fight for survival. Most people believe that everyone in ancient times died young, and while many did, scientists discovered something surprising. Those who survived childhood often remained healthy and active for decades. Their knees were stronger, their hips were stronger, even their spines showed much less wear than many people today. But what was their secret? The first clue was movement. Ancient humans didn't spend hours sitting in chairs or staring at screens. Every single day they walked long distances, climbed hills, hunted animals, gathered food, carried heavy loads, and built shelters with their own hands. Their bodies were always moving. That constant movement kept their muscles strong and their joints healthy. But there was another mystery. Exercise alone couldn't explain everything, so scientists studied ancient diets and found another important clue. Ancient humans ate natural foods. They hunted wild animals, caught fish, collected fruits, nuts, roots, and plants. Their meals contained no processed sugar, no fast food, and no artificial ingredients. Their bodies received the nutrients they needed without the harmful chemicals found in many modern foods. Even more surprising, ancient bones show signs that their bodies were constantly repairing and rebuilding themselves throughout their lives. Instead of becoming weaker every year, they stayed active for much longer. Of course, ancient life wasn't easy. Many people never reached old age, but those who survived lived in a way that kept their bodies strong for decades. So maybe the greatest anti-aging secret was never hidden inside a bottle or a miracle pill. Maybe it was hidden in daily movement, natural food, and a lifestyle that forced the human body to stay strong. The next time you take a walk or choose a healthy meal, remember this. The ancient humans may have understood the secret to healthy aging long before modern science did.